Welcome to our channel,
Cooking with T
and P.
So today we'll be making vegan lasagna.
And this recipe also can be made for the regular lasagna. So vegan subscribers and people who are non-vegan, please just tune in. Okay, so the first step is you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
And while your oven is preheating, a little trick is to soak your noodles for 30 minutes to soften them up for baking.
Okay, so I have to dice up the squash, the zucchini, and the onions next, and then we can add it all.
So now we're going to saute our vegetables. We've already started sauteing some onions in a medium saucepan with a little bit of olive oil. So next we're going to add our garlic.
And then next we're going to add the squash and the zucchini.
And you just want to cook that down until the vegetables are softened. And while that's cooking down, we're going to add our seasoning. So we have Italian herbs, garlic, and a little bit of salt.
Next, we're going to add portobello mushrooms, but you can use your own mushrooms if you like. So next, we're going to add the diced tomatoes to the pot. And then after the diced tomatoes, we're going to add
our marinara sauce. So any basic marinara sauce, we're using a basil marinara sauce. Vegan, of course, no cheese, no dairy.
Instead of vegetables in your pot for the non-vegan eaters, you can add a more leaner ground turkey, ground chicken, or
ground beef or Italian sausage.
Okay, so now we're going to assemble the lasagna. The first step is we want to baste the layer of the pan with the sauce. Then I'm going to lay the pre-soaked pasta over top of the sauce. Then
you want to add your vegan ricotta cheese on top of the pasta, and then a layer of fresh spinach. And then you're going to start that process right over again.
Yes. And you're going to keep going until you get as many layers as you want, and then you stop and stick it in the oven. One of the most important ingredients is the cheese. So our cheese that we get is a non-dairy cheese for vegans. And you can get that at Kroger if Kroger is by your local store, Whole Foods, or Fresh Market.
So now that you got all your layers done, we did about 3 layers.
Yep.
We're going to go ahead and put it in our preheated oven for about 30 minutes until it's all nice and bubbly.
And as you see, this is our final product, all cooked and done. Looks delicious. We can't. Okay, so this is our finished product. As you see, we have the lasagna. That's a 3-layer lasagna. And we have our garlic bread to the side. You can have it with a choice of garlic bread, or you can do it with a side salad. That salad has carrots in it, zucchini, tomatoes, and avocado. Thank you for watching our video.
Hit the like and subscribe button if you like what you saw.
And check out the links in the description for all of our pages, our Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. If you want to follow us, look for other ideas, message us for business inquiries, do so. Thank you.
Thank you.